Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 1999 Fleetwood Prowler, model 27F. It's a front living floor plan with super slide. This is bonded fiberglass sidewalls. You can see it's on the front. We got a little bit of D-lam going on here, but it's purely a cosmetic thing, doesn't affect the performance. Big awning across the top, double entry doors, white spoke wheels, jacks on all four corners. Back side here we do have some storage access under the rear queen bed in the bedroom. Right now it just has a spare tire back there. There is a built-in ladder, and here's our slide out as seen from the back side. One other thing I want to point out on the slide out itself, a couple storage compartments underneath the sofa, and we got a little bit of Darko hanging loose here, and you can see a little bit of dry rot on the floor slide, but still attached, so it's still quite functional. Let's take a look at the inside. Since this is a front living, we're going to go in the front door, and here we are. See, that slide out does make a world of difference for room. Up front here we've got a central entertainment area with a CD player or DVD player, I'm sure which. I think it's a CD. TV, front window, here's the treatment for it. It looks like it was probably attached up here. Storage overhead, storage below. Sofa bed makes into a bed. The dinette makes into a bed as well. You can see that one booth here needs a door rebuilt and the bolster reattached. We have a refrigerator freezer, pretty good size one. It's got a Magic Chef 3-burner stove with oven underneath, built-in knife rack, storage under the dual basin sink, pantry storage overhead, microwave. So we work our way back. Bonus storage here, make a great spice rack. And here's some more bonus storage. This closet right here, TV shelf in the old days before we mounted them to the walls. Queen size bed with nightstands on each side, storage overhead, reading light, and of course your own exit entry door. And here's our bathroom. It's all in one. Got the sink, vanity, shower, skylight, and toilet. It's a 1999 Fleetwood Prowler right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com.